Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll try to use the bike ramp for the second time. That's a good looking pie. I'm just gonna wing it. That's a normal umbrella. This is my umbrella. Now I guess I'll try it with both ramps. Okay, so that's 2 feet. And it's uphill. Okay, so that worked, kind of. And now I'll do it again. Okay, now I'll take it off the hill. Okay, that's 2 feet. Now it's off the hill. Completely missed the ramp. Okay, I'm gonna take this out 1 more foot. Okay, so that's about 3 feet. Now we'll try it out again. Now I'm going to take off the end ramp and try it again. And now I'll try just the kicker, not the landing ramp. So I don't know if you saw that, but I hit my shin right here with a full metal pedal. So that's fun. If you're not getting hurt, you're not having fun, right? Oh yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to use the landing ramp again. Okay, so now I'll do that one again. Okay, let's try that one again. Okay, I'm gonna put this further up on the hill, I guess. Okay, I hit the top that time because I didn't have enough speed. Okay, so I got an idea. If I get a board and put it on the top, punch holes in the ramps, stick pins through to secure it, then it'll look safer. Okay, now I'll try it out. So it flexes a little bit, but it works. Okay, I'll try that again. Okay, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it anymore because the handlebars are a little bit awkward now. So now it's more like a racing bike. So I hit the ground and then the handlebars just whoop, went away. So very fun, but that's it for now. Actually, I think I have a hex key in the truck, so I'll try to fix that. Okay. There we go. So now I'm going to take it apart, put it next to the hill, and try to jump onto the hill. See how that goes. Okay, last one. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.